Another Christmas episode, this time with thrifted items. I grabbed this tall glass metal holder. After I cleaned it well, there was red gems. I'm showing you in that parts, and I removed them, and now I'm gonna fill those spots with the ocean gems from Dollar Tree. Since today I'm decorating in a royal blue color, I think those ocean gems gonna be just the perfect cohesive match with my decor today. Timeless and festive addition for your holiday decoration, and it will last for many joyful seasons to come. So now I fill the glass inside with those mini royal blue ornaments, and now I'm just adding random picks. Picks with dazzling finish and beauty of all the embellishments, and there is so many possibilities to decorate your home like royalty. You do not need to be a professional for floral arrangements. You can decorate your house however you like. And you can add any kind of colors that you prefer. Not everybody like this royal blue and silver look. You can add that traditional look as well. And it's gonna look just perfect. Now, to bring my centerpiece to a higher level, I am adding 2 velvet poinsettias that I picked up from Hobby Lobby. They were on 50% off. I added one on one side and another on the other side, and in the middle I'm gonna be adding this beautiful blue, royal blue vintage Santa. Previously I glue it with a wooden stick, and now I'm just adding a foam so it will be easier for me to add it inside of the glass, and adding the foam between those mini ornaments. And that's it for this look. Let me know, what do you think? Very affordable, but it looks like royalty, isn't it? I'm gonna be making some large bows with these wired ribbons. I got those ribbons from Hobby Lobby. They were also at 50% off. So I got a deal, and now with the help of this bow maker, I'm gonna make a beautiful professional large bow. If you don't know how to make bows, bow makers like this is gonna help you, and you're gonna make just a perfect bow like you did it with your fingers. I know how to make a bow with my fingers, but this time I just wanted to show you how to use a bow maker, and with the help of a bow maker you're gonna make a professional bow. So as you can see, I made a loop on one side. Now I'm going to do another loop on the other side, and then I'm gonna make a cross, and after I make one on the side, I'm making parallel the same way another loop, as you can see, so I can follow my ribbon with it. And you can make as much as loops like you want it. As you can see, I'm just keep rolling and making loops until I got the look that I like. I think I got 8 loops or 6 loops for this bow. And as you can see, that part in the middle, it just helps to hold the bow on place. So that's why the bow maker is very helpful. And now I just grab my smaller ribbon, bow ribbon, and I'm gonna do the same thing, except for this one I'm not gonna make that much loops. I'm just gonna make, I believe, 4 loops with this one. And we can have a variety of different colors, and we're gonna have a perfect bow. Now when the loops were made, I just removed them, and I'm gonna tie them with this tube twine that I got from Dollar Tree. Doesn't matter that it's pink because we're gonna cover it. I cut off a portion of the blue ribbon that I had, and now I'm gonna glue it on top of the pink tube mesh twine that I had, and we have a perfect bow. Super simple but very beautiful. Now that I got the bow made, I'm gonna be creating a Christmas swag. And look at these beautiful branches. I washed them well. I got them from thrift store for only a couple of dollars. And after it's all nice and clean, I'm gonna add my bow on top of my swag. I have flipped it upside down, and that's where I tie my bow on top of the swag. I'm gonna open up the loops just a little bit, but then when the whole swag is done, I'm gonna work on the loops at the end because they're gonna be all messy until we finish the whole decoration with this swag. I also cut off the edges as a ducktails, and that's it for this cute bow. Let me know if this tutorial helped you to create a bow, or you're already a professional how to create bows. Now it's time to add Mrs. Santa Claus. Look at these beautiful royal blue colors with the poinsettias on her head. I just love it. All I did is I just made a hole with my tool, and I'm gonna add one of my ribbon so I can tie it on my swag. So first I made one hole on top of the sign and I tie it, and also I'm gonna pinch another hole on the bottom of the sign, and I'm gonna tie that part to my swag as well. I'm not sure what is the name for this tool. I found it at Hobby Lobby, and it's so helpful when you have signs like this and when you need to pinch holes like this, and it's just perfect. Even if this sign is metal, that tool worked. And after I tied the bottom part, now it's time to decorate more with my swag. I got this branch with these velvet ornaments, also from Hobby Lobby. They were on 50% off. So I grabbed two of them, and I'm gonna be gluing them inside of my swags as well. To make swags like this, you don't need to be a professional. You just go with your decoration like you feel, the same way like we created the centerpiece today. And you can add any colors that you like. And I got so many additions of these Mr. and Mrs. Santa Claus, different colors, and I'm gonna show you in upcoming videos, just to see all those different colors and how I made and what I made with them. I cannot wait to share it. But this time, in this video specifically, I wanted to bring that beautiful royal colors with this dazzling peaks and the beauty embellishments, and I think it looks just perfect. I am also adding some silver berries, and also to match my sign with Mrs. Santa, nothing without the poinsettias. I don't know how you call them, poinsettias or poinsettias. I'm calling them poinsettias. And I'm also gonna be adding these royal blue LED lights. I got those from Dollar Tree, and I turned them on because it's easier for me to see where I'm gonna position them on my swag. And I'm just going around the branches and the peaks to see where the light's gonna go. And with adding these lights, it just bring more high-end look to this swag, and nobody will know that we created this for just a couple of dollars. And I also think this is just a perfect gift to give it to somebody for Christmas. It looks so expensive, and they're gonna think that we spent a couple of $100s to buy this beautiful Christmas swag. So after I added the lights, I glued them on the back part of my swag, and now it's time for me to add the ornaments. I grabbed random ornaments, different colors, navy, royal blue, silver, whatever I found in my stash. And I'm also adding those silver picks. I got those, I believe, from Walmart a couple of years ago. And I'm adding some random silver and white leaves. Those are from Dollar Tree. I'm just adding glue on the end parts, and I'm just adding them to the swag on each side. I'm also gonna be adding more ornaments just to fill my swag with it. I mean, you can be creative and add as much as embellishments as you like. Adding some ornaments, some picks, extra bows, whatever you like, and be creative. What is your theme scheme this year for your Christmas and holiday decor? Mine will be the red traditional Stuart plaid colors. I got more videos with that colors too, but this time I wanted to bring you this beautiful royal blue color because I think it looks really like royalty. I love this color. I have my house decorated in these colors a couple of years ago, and this royal blue is timeless and festive, and your house is gonna look joyful throughout the season. And now, after I fill out my swag with all those beautiful embellishments and accessories, I'm opening up the loops on my bow and my swag is ready. I mean, the camera cannot give justice to this swag, but if you look at this swag up close, you're not gonna believe that I made it. It looks so beautiful, and then with those blue LED lights, it's just a perfect look. I have also added some random navy roses between the branches just to fill out my swag and make the swag more fuller, and I think this decoration is done. Let me know, what do you think about this one, and if I inspire you today. Also, I forgot to mention, I'm gonna have the links for the Mrs. and Mr. Santa, and like I mentioned, I got them in different colors, and I cannot wait to share it with you next week. And here it is, how it looks hanged on my door. It looks just gorgeous. You cannot see the lights because it was a daylight, but with the blue lights, it's just a perfect look. Those two finials, ornament finials, I made them a couple of years ago, and on the corner you can see a clip how I made them. I just grabbed one large ornament from Walmart and two other large ornaments from Dollar Tree, and I connect them with the napkin rings from Dollar Tree, as you can see, and I just layered them on top of each. And to cover the napkin, I just cover it with the ribbons, and I created some bows, and simple as that, we have a timeless ornament finials, and they look just gorgeous. And I hope you enjoyed this video today, and I hope I gave you some inspirations. Also, that peace sign, it's from Dollar Tree. I made it a couple of years ago with a crash mirror and a Mod Podge. And my darlings, until next time, which is gonna be this coming Sunday with more traditional look, I'm sending you lots of love, lots of music, positive energy, blessings from me to you. Bye bye.